there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering.
This all or nothing really got a way of driving me crazy. I need somebody to hear, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the waiting, I'm not a pain. Now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled around. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love, and I tend to close my eyes when it hurts. Sometimes I fall into your arms. I'll be safe in your sound till I come back around. For now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled around. I was getting kinda used to being someone you loved, but now the day bleeds.
What it do, gang? It's your girl Bianca Shanice, and I'm back with a new video. If you're new here, hello. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe, and please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when your girl posts a new video. Cause what? Cause how's y'all gonna see me? Today is Saturday. This gonna be pre-recorded for my Sunday reset. Vlogmas day. Child. I don't know. Vlogmas day 17, I believe. Off today. Today was supposed to be our annual Purvis Christmas party, but yesterday my sister delivered her baby. My nip came yesterday morning, so we are canceling our Christmas party. Your girl is just off today, so I'm like, yeah, I needed this day off to do a reset, just refresh, think, and you know, just get some stuff done around the house today. Hopefully I'm gonna try to make this more exciting because I am gonna be in the house. I'm not planning to go out anywhere today, so I want to get some things done. Let's try to start by room. I do want to finish tidying up my room. You're like, y'all probably like, girl, you always tidying up your room, your house, whatever. But okay, stuff be going on. And as y'all can see by the little bit of the montage I gave y'all in the beginning, I got up and took a shower, got me some cozy, comfortable clothes on, and brushed my teeth, washed my face, moisturized my body, my face, my lips, because I always come up here with dry lips and it's just not cute. So your girl moisturized her face and lips today. Don't mind my eyebrows. I do have to edit, make some time for me to just kind of chill. So no pressure for this video, and if it don't go up on Sunday, then I'm sorry, because like I said, I had already said I wasn't gonna do it no more, but I talked to my good sis Kelly last night, and she was just like, B, you can do it. We got 9 more days. So I'm like, we'll see. But anywho, we're just gonna go ahead and get this video started, and we're gonna see where this video take us. So I'll be back.
Don't be dishonest. You're not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better. I want you better as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Girl, I met somebody so I'm next up. Be damned if I let him catch up. It's easy to see that you're fed up. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Met him, girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any effort. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Lately you say he's been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Hold up, get in the right. Left hand is staring, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a spliff and get high. Shawty, you did deserve what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. Play this song for him, tell him just listen. Don't play with. Still not understanding this logic. Girl, said he keeps on playing games, and his love, it ain't the same. I don't know what to say, but what a shame. You were mine, you would not get the same. You were mine, you would top everything. Suicide in the drop, put your names in the thing. So fire, baby, no propane. Got you loving, girl, can I be fake? To keep up 100, girl, I ain't no shame. But he the only reason that I'm feeling this way. Giving you the world, baby, when you get space, spin game. Give me lane, baby, that's been a trait. Oh, baby. Go.
Someday at Christmas, men won't be boys, playing with bombs like kids play with toys. One warm December, our hearts will see a world where men are free. Oh, someday at Christmas, there'll be no wars when we have learned what Christmas is for. When we have found what life's really worth, there'll be peace on earth. Someday all our dreams will come to be. Someday in a world, someday not in time for you and me, but someday at Christmas time. Someday at Christmas we'll see a land with no hungry children and no empty hands. One happy morning when people will share a world where people care. Someday at Christmas there'll be no tears. All men are equal and no men have no fears. One shining moment, one prayer away from our world today.
Broke up with my girl last night, so I went to the club. Put on a fresh white suit and a
sitting on love. I'm really looking for somebody to talk to and show me some love. If you know what I mean. Everybody jacking me as soon as I step in the spot. 200 bitches in the building, ain't none of them hot. Except for this pretty young thing that was working all the way at the top. Tell me what is her name? Oh, she made us drinks to drink. We drunk and talking melodies. She thinks I'm cool. She gave me a wink, I wink back. And man, I think that we hit on something proper like the bartender. Ooh, if you're looking for me, like the bartender. Okay, like the bartender. Yeah, if you're looking for me, like the bartender.
Look at me in that tone of voice. You scared me.
Hey, I'm gonna walk in for you. You got time to make my chicken for me in the air fryer?
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta go to Walmart, so. I don't wanna, so just put that in the air fryer.
The fragrance destination.
Is that okay? Yeah, it's okay. Right? Yeah, because I need it. I gotta assemble the cupcakes. Because I make a chicken and waffle cupcake. Okay. So I need them cooked. But I need to read the cupcakes. Okay. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright.
Fun at my spot tonight. Like the bartender. Ooh, if you're looking for me, like the bartender. Okay, like the bartender. Hey, if you're looking for me, like the bartender.
It don't really have to be filled up. It's just for the effect. It's kind of hard to get it in here because the server is thick. But it's cute though. It's not that aesthetic. I ain't feeling much. Just enough to do a little drizzle. It's fine. Shoot, it is okay.
It's cute idea though.
It is cute. It's really cute. And it ain't alcoholic. You know, because normally that's what you see these little infused with liquor, like the strawberries and stuff. So I was like, and I ordered these last minute from Amazon. They were like $4. So shucks, man. Some grown up stuff. No, but.
Oh yeah, I'm definitely about to think I'm gonna go out and get me some
Girl.
of that.
Yeah, I always get it from Food Line. Girl.
Like, give me a salad or something.
Yeah. Oh, that's what I was gonna say. I use that chicken for my salad. It'd be so good. But like you can use. I done made the little chicken minis before. Of course, I make me some buffalo. No, you're fine.
What are you doing?
I'm helping my. You gonna say hey? You gonna tell him your name?
Thank you, sweetie.
You're welcome. Like a break off. We do have a break off work, right?
Yeah, I go back to work tomorrow.
Huh?
I go back to work tomorrow.
So is this like gonna be like your time before Christmas comes up? Or do you still have to work before Christmas?
I still got to work before Christmas.
And you like get off on Christmas Eve?
Yeah, I can.
Alright, I was just making sure.
What's up, gang? I just wanted to tap in. I think the last clip that y'all seen was from earlier when I was helping my cousin with the little food stuff she had. But y'all, I edited a video that went up today and uploaded that. And y'all, I'm just laying here now. I ate. I want to take a nap, y'all. It is currently 4:52. Y'all, today has went and came already, y'all. I feel like I had just woke up and I was doing stuff and it's just already gone. But anywho, I don't really have much I want to do. I did want to clean my refrigerator out today, but I don't know. Another day. If I feel like getting back up, I will do something. But right now, I'm just looking at some YouTube videos. I'm watching the Glam Twins right now. And yeah. Hopefully I can get some pampering done to myself later this week. You know, for Christmas, I'm going to take out my lock knots, get my eyebrows done. Hopefully I can go ahead and go get my nails done. Because, y'all, they have been overdue. Past overdue. This one broke off. This one is cracked. This one is gone. This one came off today. Yeah, I need a whole fresh set, and I think I am gonna go short, and I think I want to get red or black. But that's what I got going on, y'all. Nothing much. I said I was gonna be in the house all day today, and that's what it is.
Working on her nails. Not complaining about that. I actually have to do my own nails today because I'm kind of over this color. This is more Thanksgiving-y, and I want to do something like.
Y'all, so I made me some more noodles. It has been so good to me, so y'all, I had to make it again. Just got some white cream strawberry, and y'all, I'm about to tear this down. And I'm watching this right now. Have y'all seen this yet? It just came out yesterday on BET Plus. I got a story to tell, and it got 2 episodes so far. I'm just on the first episode, and it's been pretty good, you know. But that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna finish watching this and eat. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye.
It's Merry Christmas.